TruConversion. Simple and accurate funnel tracking and optimization tool. Extended access to this deal is exclusively available to Appsumo Plus members for a limited time. You've got your marketing strategy locked down to maximize your campaigns, probably. With all those confusing numbers scattered across analytics, spreadsheets, and dashboards, even Count Von Count can't save you. 2,568 rich media-assisted conversions? You need a simple way to track your sales funnel's performance and optimize it for the best conversions. Introducing TruConversion. A brief summary. Quickly track your funnel's performance to find out what's working and what's not. Use optimization tools like heatmaps, session recordings, and form analytics, plus connect to customers with surveys. Alternative to Hotjar and Funnelytics. Best for marketing professionals, media managers, and email marketers looking to monitor and improve their funnels. TruConversion is an easy-to-use funnel tracking and optimization tool that offers heat maps, session recordings, and form analytics to help you craft your best strategies. Intuitive smart funnels from TruConversion give you the scoop on which strategies are actually converting. With only a few clicks, you'll be able to track your funnels, set conversion benchmarks, and find out where you need to focus to make a positive impact on your bottom line. Even better, the smart funnels are constantly monitoring your funnels without you having to dig through dozens of analytics and spreadsheets to find what matters. Talk about working smarter. Easily track funnels, set benchmarks, and improve strategies with smart funnels. No more guessing at where your visitors scroll and click anymore. My gut is telling me we need more photos of cats in formal wear. Heat maps show you where your visitors scroll and click the most, so you'll know exactly where to put your most compelling content and calls to action. Even better, you can trigger heat maps to start collecting data when it matters most by combining them with smart funnels. You'll get the most meaningful data on the pages that need the most attention. Heat maps show you where people are scrolling and clicking to find out what content matters the most. Need more specific information about customer behavior? TruConversion lets you watch session recordings of individual browsing journeys to see where they click and what they skip. You can set recordings to trigger based on page activity, too, cutting down on volume and giving you the most relevant data for analysis. Now you'll see why people are bouncing just before checkout, or if that Lord of the Rings reference actually resonated with your audience. Give it to us. Give us the precious. Use session recordings to effectively analyze customer behavior. Form field reports will shut down all debate on what's working and what's not. You can quickly see which fields are getting filled and which ones are causing people to bounce, letting you easily iterate on your lead gen and checkout forms. These reports show you the conversion rate, abandonment rate, time on the form, time spent on each field, blank fields, and refill rate, all arranged in easy-to-read charts. There's even the option to filter the data to show results by device for more granular insights. Form field reports tell you conversion rates, abandonment rates, refill rates, and more. Get direct customer feedback with TruConversion's microsurveys. You'll be able to post a poll anywhere on your site, following almost any action. Use the survey builder to create a detailed evaluation of customer satisfaction, Net Promoter Score, NPS, or whatever else comes to mind. Example, thoughts on olives. Both surveys and micro-surveys can be customized to fit your site theme. You can even use micro-surveys to quickly snag opt-ins. Surveys and micro-surveys give you the data you need straight from customers, plus, they're easy to build. Much like the plot of cats, the marketing data you need is technically there, you just have to dig around for it. What is a jellicle even? TruConversion lets you easily track your sales funnels and optimize them with heat maps, session recordings, form field reports, and more. Learn the truth about your funnel conversions. Get lifetime access to TruConversions today.